Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop, and today we are working with the Shapeoko Pro. My 3 has finally kicked the bucket, almost, and I'm debating whether to spend the money to fix it or to buy a second CNC machine. I guess it'd be third, but the 3 would go away and I'd get a second Pro. I'm looking at what kind of machine I'd want to do next. I just got my Pro last fall, and I'm in love with it, but there's some significant things that I didn't have with my 3 that I have to have with this, and that is dust collection. You got to have dust collection with the Pro because the tracks get so gunked up so fast that it actually jams up your machine and causes massive problems. So I had problems with my dust collection. The one that I bought was from Harbor Freight. So I just wanted something quick and easy in the middle of winter, which is when I get it all set up to run. And I have a separator, and it works great. I love my separator. It's the same one that I have out there for my planer, but the fine particulate dust that the CNC machine kicks out over hours of operation at a time. I do a lot of programs that are an hour to 7 to 10 hours for 3D model programs that I run. And my bag was getting so clogged up, and I don't know if it was because it's Harbor Freight or what, but I vented my dust collector from the barrel, and I'll try and put some pictures up here. I'll move over so that I can put pictures up. From the barrel to the machine, obviously, that's the separator, and then I vented it out of the barn. Does anyone else do that? Do they just vent their dust collector out of their building? I'm pretty sure the EPA would have a complete stroke, but I'm on a farm and it's compost, so, and I'm just doing wood. I don't do metal, plastic, acrylics. On the CNC machine is strictly wood. So I'm just curious though, does anyone else just vent their machine out? How do you guys get around the issue of particulate dust clogging up your bag in your machine? Because venting it out has been phenomenal. I actually put a vent in this fall because with winter coming, I don't want to have the door open over there. So that is the door out, and those are all the hoses. And I know people are going to cringe that my hoses aren't tight and I have dips in my dust collection hose, and the world's going to combust and catch on fire. And it's been that way for over a year, and not once have I ever had a problem. And I'll take some pictures, like I said, and I'll put them up over here. And I just vented out of the building. So how do you guys get around that? Does anyone else have this issue? I'd love to see stuff down in the comment section about what do you do? I mean, I've seen the dust collectors with the water in them to make it so that the water and all the particulate stays in the water. It really doesn't work for me. Curious, asking for a friend. Of course, I would never break any EPA rules. So how do you do it? All right, guys, leave comments down below. I really need some help on this one. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, like, subscribe, enjoy your day.